In this LashJoy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Microfoam Tape in place of iPads. So some lash stylists prefer to use these instead of iPads all the time. Others only use it if there's a sensitivity to any of the ingredients in the iPads. So what you'll need is a sharp pair of scissors. We would also recommend that you get yourself a little sandwich bag like this, so a brand new one, not a recycled one. And then you're going to line up the tape on the edge of both sides of your sandwich bag, and that way you can cut several pairs and store them in a container for when you're ready to use it. So I'll show you how to cut them right now. So what I would recommend doing is just marking about 2.5 to 3 centimeters, or a little bit bigger than an inch, from where your little curves that you'll be cutting will be going. Like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs here. And then you're just going to cut little half moons. So normally you wouldn't do this over your client's head, but it's just to show you how to do it. So just nice gentle curve, similar to what you would find on an iPad. Oops, I'm going over my line here. Oh well, you'll still see how to do it. Just cut that off. So then you would just cut down there like that, and then you would cut just like so. So you would do a whole heap at once, and then you would store these in a little container, and you would just peel them off the plastic when you're ready to use them. So you always have 2 exact pairs. Once you are ready to place down the Microfoam Tape, I'd recommend using some LashJoy Choice Barrier Eye Cream. This will just protect the skin and make sure when you're peeling off the Microfoam Tape later, it's not too sticky. So I'll show you how to use that. You just need a tiny amount. So I've just got a smaller size cotton bud here. And that amount right there is enough to cover both eyes. Okay, Tara, just open your eyes for me. So I'm just going to dispense half of that cream on one side, the other half on the other eye, and then just start quite low and then work the cream up. So that way it's not too moisturized right near the very base of the eyelid. Just keep looking up for me. You can also use this barrier cream on the upper lid to protect the skin from the vapors to reduce the risk of sensitivities or allergies developing to the eyelash extension adhesive. So I've got my Microfoam Tape that I've cut my little half moon shape into the edge of. Just keep looking up. And then I'm going to cover the lashes. So sometimes you do need to stroke a few times. Tara's got really long natural lashes on her lowers. So then just place that down like so. And Tara, just close your eyes for me. Is that comfortable?
Yep.
So now you've got a nice white background to work against. So when you're ready to take that off, just peel it down towards the chin. And you'll see how easy that is to peel off when you use the LashJoy Choice Barrier Cream. So both the Microfoam Tape and the Barrier Cream are available on the LashJoy shop.
The winner of Best Business Performance, LashJoy.